Here is the Kia Sorento. The light's over there, and the way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch, and there's an access panel right over there. You will need a flathead screwdriver to put it right in that slot there, and then pull it out, and the cover just comes right out. That's the bulb holder for the reverse light. Just grab it and twist to the left, and it comes right out. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and the bulb number is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb, and simply push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in, otherwise you will not be able to lock it. Once it sits in like this, just twist your right and you're done. Let's get the cover back in place. Make sure it's sitting in the way I'm showing. Press it down to engage all the clips to secure it, and that is looking good. That's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.